So this is the next part of the update, and this is where they install the countertops, and actually they came out beautiful, and we're very happy with them. So started a couple weeks ago when we ordered it from Home Depot, and they brought out this device, and they took some precision measurements, and then we went down to look at and pick out our slab, and this was a company by the name of Premier Surfaces that did this, and I've never seen so many slabs. They just had thousands upon thousands of slabs lined up in their warehouse that we went down to look at, and I showed you this little clip before of us. That's our slab that we decided to use, and we told them exactly where we wanted the pieces cut from, and that was it. So we went home, and about 2 weeks later, they were coming to do the install. Well, actually a little bit over 2 weeks. The whole process took about 4 weeks. And here's another section on the way out of their warehouse. This is all the man-made stone. It was just amazing, and they did do a wonderful job. So there's the old counters. Everything has been moved out from the wall, and the night before I started, cleaning stuff up and pulling out all the old countertop and getting everything ready to go for the granite so they could just have an easy install job. The next morning, there it is, and about half an hour before they're scheduled to arrive, and it started snowing. And then about 15 minutes later, we had a couple inches of snow, and then by the time their truck pulled in right on, about a couple minutes late because of the snow, we had about 4 inches of snow out there, and kind of like a little blizzard going on. First thing they did is they put some straps under the sink cabinet to hold the sink up. It's a pretty cool setup. I've never seen anything like it before. It's kind of like a wire with some turnbuckle in there that you pull the sink up into place with. And here it is. We had to brush off some of the snow. They had that big ramp coming out of the truck. They had to carry this granite down. But Premier Surfaces sent a crew of 3 really nice young guys out to do the install. As you can see, they had a real strong backs, and were able to carry it in and pick it right up in place. And it was actually it turned out to be a pretty easy install for them. So the first thing they had to do was kind of get everything in position and line it up. And there was a couple cuts made on the water jet when they cut it out to go around that maple that I had. And they did have to trim a little bit on one of them because it wasn't quite cut deep enough. But finally they got a little bit of grinding on it and got everything in place. And this first one actually just fit perfect by the time they were done. Just went in there and everything was nice tight on the corners and perfect gap to the stove. So they did do a really good job on it. And I'm really happy with it. And there you can see they've got the sink hanging on that cradle that they put under there. And now they're just put some silicone glue on it around the outside of it first. And then you just tighten up that nut, and it pulls the cable, and it brings the sink right up into position. You have to leave it for 24 hours to dry. Then they kind of protected everything, and they said they like to drill the holes in place. So they had it looked like an angle grinder with a diamond bit on it, and that drilled right through the granite like butter. They did have a guy with a vacuum there. They were very clean. They put tarps down on the floor. They really protected everything, and it wasn't an easy job because it was real muddy and messy outside from all that snow. So they did a real precision job of drilling the holes for doing it by hand. The guy used that piece of cardboard to start the cutter in the right place, and it worked really good. Then they went back and they had some guys shimming it up and gluing it around the outside, and they did a little more caulking around the inside of the sink and got everything in place on that one. And then they fit the other one, and within less than 2 hours later they were basically done and on the road again for the next job. Now, we ordered the granite through Home Depot originally, and they outsourced it to this company called Premier Surfaces. And I must say that they really, these guys did a wonderful job. They were clean, they were neat, they covered everything. they cleaned up better than, you know, when they had come. When they walked out the door, it was just as clean as when they had come in, and everything fit perfect. They did a really good job of, you can see those edges there, how tight they fit. They had to do a little bit of trimming and grinding on them, but they got everything perfect. And the windowsill, I just had them set there because now I'm thinking about replacing the window, and I still have to finish the wainscot around it, and I'm going to put some spalted maple. So basically, it was about a little bit over a 4-week trip from the time that we ordered it at Home Depot. Then they came and measured it. We picked out our slab. They did the fabrication, and they water jetted it out. And then they, you know, did the final install on it. And we are extremely happy with the service that we got. And we also are extremely happy with the granite that we picked out. It's a natural product, and you can see where there's some, maybe a couple little spots where a little bit softer spots and stuff, but that's normal in a natural product. But here you can see, like, there's a spot that you can look down into it, a 1/2 inch deep, and you know, you can see 1,000,000 years ago right down into that clear quartz that's in it. And we're real happy the way it came out. And like I said, I just have to go back through now, and I'm going to put spalted maple black backsplashes on in the wainscot on the wall. We decided against going with the granite for the backsplashes because we didn't want too much of it, and we feel that this is just right, and it's a very good natural look without overdoing it. So it's like bringing the outdoors inside a little bit. Boy, and after that bandsaw, it's really nice to have something that just kind of, you know, went off perfect. We had no hitches, no problems, and there were no issues or anything, and the install crew was just wonderful. So I think we chose going with Home Depot was the right way for us to go. So now I just have to wait 24 hours before I can touch the plumbing. I have to let the silicone around the sink dry, and then I'll be able to get the plumbing back in, and we'll be able to start using everything and enjoying it. Next video will be doing the backsplashes in the walls then, I guess. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.